Welcome! Today I'm showing how to unblock phone number into XIAOMI Redmi Note 8 2021. First of all, open your phone application. Then in the top right corner we got in search, we got 3 dots, so click it and choose settings. Then go into blocked numbers, and here will be your phone block number. So from blocking this one last number, click here, confirm operation, unblock, yes, unblock, and that's it. And maybe one more time. Choose for example this one number, click here, click confirm operation, click unblock one more time, and that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.